Now we are in Chicago. Hi, Chicago. Let's go get some sausages. Are we going to go to the Bears game today?
The
Let's go see
Bears.
the Bears. Mike Ditka. He's the best.
She
Yeah.
thinks so too.
What brand fridge do you have? Do you have a Perry? Do you have a Perry?
Oh my.
Say, the Bears. Let's see, Hope. Go by the window. We can prove where we are. Where are we? Did Daddy get us a nice hotel?
There's the Hancock building.
There, he sure did.
Kitty
There it is. Whoops, there it is. That's a nice building, but you know what's cuter? The girls. Hi. Alright, well, we'll take some more movies later. Just wanted to let y'all know we got here safe and sound. Yes. Bye. See you later.